Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you real quick how to put your piston inside your cylinder. Very, very simple. I hear people all the time have issues with that, or they're afraid to do it because they break the rings or this, that, and the other. It's really simple. Anyway, so throw your rings on. Check out my other video. Very easy to do. Just in case you get one that doesn't have rings on it. Alright, once they're on, remember your pins, the arrow means nothing. Does not matter. I don't care what piston it is, what motor it comes out of. Arrow doesn't mean anything. In a two-cycle motor, what matters is the pin location. Most of the time, with these motorized bicycles, always on motorized bicycles, your pins will always go on the intake side. Always and forever. I don't care what anybody tells you. Anyway, so what I do normally is hold my pin, or hold my rings where the pin is. Alright. Roll it in. What you're going to do is kind of roll your ring in. Very, very simple. Alright, so step one, you're going to pinch your ring again. And normally on the second one, I'll just cock it in a little sideways and then push my ring in. Basically, we're in. Alright. Alright, before you slide your piston in the cylinder, make sure it's clean. Spray some WD-40 inside your rings, everything. Make sure you don't scratch the chrome surface inside your in your cylinder. But very, very easy. I'll show you again.